In a significant boost to India's global trade credentials, New Delhi has signed a deal with the European Free Trade Association. That's a four-nation bloc comprising Iceland, Liechtenstein, Norway and Switzerland, which will soon open an office in India. The free trade deal is a culmination of over 15 years of negotiations between India and the EFTA. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has called the deal a watershed moment in the bilateral ties between India and the four nations. He said, and I quote, "One of the most pioneering free trade agreements ever concluded between our countries, it emphasizes our steadfast commitment to shared prosperity." Union Minister Piyush Goyal echoed Prime Minister Narendra Modi's stance and claimed that the free trade agreement will generate more employees and aid their growth.
Agreement symbolizes our shared commitment to open, fair, equitable trade as well as generating growth and employment for the youth.
The deal is expected to bring investments worth over $100 billion in the next 15 years. The trade deal comes at a time when the world is trying to diversify its supply chain and reduce its dependence on China. The free trade deal with the four-nation bloc is a part of India's efforts to replace China as a supply chain hub. The $100 billion investment expected out of this deal could boost employment opportunities for Indians. The deal is also expected to help India's services sector, which contributes over 50% to the gross domestic product. But there are a number of other sectors too that could benefit from the deal. India could see investments flow into the pharma, chemical sectors, food processing and engineering sectors. The four-nation bloc is also looking at joint ventures in these sectors. The free trade deal will help diversify imports away from China, which runs a massive trade surplus with India. Ultimately, it is likely to play a big role in India's quest to become the third largest economy by the year 2027. Against the backdrop of this historic deal, Norwegian Minister for Trade and Industry Jan Christian Vestre spoke to WION.
Aj Kadin Etihasik He. This is a day for the history books. It's really a breakthrough. It will create more trade, more investments, more jobs. Very beneficial for both India and for the EFTA countries, including Norway. So I'm very happy today and extremely optimistic about the future.
Sir, if you can talk about the details, one of the key focus has been the investment announcement, $100 billion in 15 years. These are commitments. How will these commitments get fulfilled?
We are committed to promote business opportunities, to mobilize private investments by creating the ecosystem, the predictable framework conditions needed, and of course also the foundation so that companies really can invest and grow and create the new jobs. And I think the trade agreement is really a breakthrough because now we will reduce and eliminate almost all the tariffs. We will set up an office together, a really joint effort to promote the business opportunities, to get rid of the obstacles, the challenges, to deal with them.
For all the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.